And this is your first look at the Yeezy 450 Cloud White. It looks just like a gyoza to me. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing of probably the ugliest, weirdest, craziest looking shoe I've ever unboxed, but weirdly enough, I absolutely love them. So today we are unboxing the Adidas Yeezy 450 in the Cloud White colorway. When I saw photos of this sneaker, I was lost for words, I would say. This is just an absolutely wild sneaker, and I just never thought I'd actually be into it. So I got these in a size 9. To be honest with you, I haven't actually tried them on, so I don't know if they fit true to size or anything, but I would assume that you should go half a size up like any other Yeezy. So these are probably going to be a little tight on me because usually I wear a UK 9.5. So like other Yeezys, it comes in that brown cardboard box, but however this one is really skinny, really thin indeed, and it has the 450 number on the top. On the side it says Yeezy 450 made by Adidas, and the color code is H68038, and it says Clo Wit, which obviously stands for Cloud White. So I guess the next thing to do is open them up and take a look at these absolutely crazy shoes. So it is a slide box just like all the other Yeezy 350 V2s and stuff like that. Open it up, the shoes come fully wrapped. Open it up and they actually come stacked on top of each other. I don't know if you can see that, but you take them out and this is your first look at the Yeezy 450 Cloud White. It looks just like a gyoza to me. Wild. So we'll take out both the shoes. There's pretty much nothing else to the box, just the paper inside, no spare laces or anything like that. So we'll put the box away and take a look at the shoes. Here is the pair itself. And oh my god, these are even crazier in hand. That sole design is absolutely nuts. I hate to say it, but I absolutely love these in person. And I ridiculed them all over my Instagram. I said they were ugly, I said they were horrendous, who would wear these? Oh, but in person they're so good. It's just different to anything you've ever seen before. So if I give you a close-up of the details of this shoe, you can see it has that upper prime knit, which actually I'm not sure is actually a prime knit anymore. I think they've changed the name of it, but it has that sock-like feel texture to it, and I guess these will be incredibly comfy. I'm probably going to try them on at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. The collar around the top is incredibly tight, so it will be snug on the ankle, and then on top you obviously have the loose rope laces in that cream beige colour as well. These, just like the Yeezy 350 V2, will probably not need the laces. You can probably take the laces out completely. That will look absolutely wild. So if you get your right size, you won't need the laces at all. They're just pretty much for aesthetics. And as aesthetics go on this shoe, I don't even know how to describe it. Look at that sole. It has the upcoming, what looks like teeth coming up the sides of it, all around the shoe. And then on the, it's honestly really difficult to describe this shoe because I've never seen anything like this before. The sole on the bottom is completely ridged, quite a bit of tread on the bottom. I'm actually surprised at how much tread there actually is. I think maybe I like it because of the color as well. As everybody knows, I'm a big fan of beiges, and this is a full beige shoe, so obviously I'm probably going to like it. But this is going to get absolutely ruined in the UK, just like I said for my Jordan 185s. But this is going to be worse because this is that prime knit material. So if you wear this out in the UK and you get any bit of rain or mud on that, the whole prime knit's going to change colour. But just stick them in the washing machine, I guess. So on the inside of the insole, we have an Ortholite insole, so you can see the different colours there, which is probably supposed to support your foot. But to me, it just feels like a normal insole. The Ortholite parts aren't hard or supportive in any way, so that is something to note, which I'm quite disappointed with. I did actually take some images of this shoe because it does actually remind me of a gyoza. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, but I'll give you an image right here that I've got on my Instagram. And come on, it does look like a gyoza. How does that not? So I did a little themed photo for these. Let me know down below in the comments, do you like this shoe? Oh my god, it's absolutely crazy. Would you wear it? I don't think I would. I just don't think I could pull this off. That's just a little bit too crazy for me, but I don't know. There is apparently a full black one coming out, so I will be interested to see that. I actually got incredibly lucky with these because they came on the Adidas confirmed apps, and I had a few people enter for me, and one of them managed to win and we caught them for retail. So really happy about that. Don't think the resale price is that high right now. I think it's only a few hundred over retail price, so if you are looking into buying these, I would buy them now, because usually the original of every single Yeezy silhouette goes up in value. So I'm expecting these ones too, especially with the release of the black one. And with summer just around the corner, you're going to see a lot more celebrities and people of influence wearing these, and it's probably going to tempt quite a lot of people to buy them. So if I give you a close-up look of the upper prime net and we spin it around to the back, there is actually a change in colour, which is very subtle but is noticeable in hand. Around the heel area, the prime net goes to a darker, to almost like a tea-stained version of the actual prime net itself. It does kind of look weird. I'm not sure if this is to offer extra support or just offer something a little bit different on the prime net. They could have kept it completely the same colour, but they seem to have changed it on the heel. Not too sure why they've done that. The prime net material on the upper is incredibly stretchy, so these are going to be super comfortable. I just wonder how it will feel with these kind of tooth-like sole plate spikes going into your foot, or will they wrap around your foot, offering us some support? I'm more interested to find out how people pull these off. Will they look good in person? I have seen a few on-feet shots on Instagram, and I don't know. It's just such an outrageous shoe, but I remember when the Wave Runner came out, people were saying that exactly the same thing. Nobody would wear a dad shoe, and then look at us now. Pretty much every single person wants these and is wearing them. So maybe it'll be the same with these in a few months, who knows. Let me know down below in the comments if you would wear these. Just a cool shoe to have in the collection, and I wonder if we will see a change in sneakers. Will they get even more crazy than this? So this was just a short review of the Yeezy 450. It's just absolutely nuts. I'm actually going to throw them on feet now just so you can check them out. Hopefully they fit, so I'm just going to give you some images of that. But hope you had a great day, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, subscribing and all that. And yeah, I'll just throw them on feet now.